Hi all, Fat Andy here. Right, picked this up from Aldi. Berry Castle, limited edition, cookies and cream. Tabby join us in a minute. $5.99. Now I've seen this in there for a couple of 3 weeks, and I sort of just walked past it basically. I did look at it, and that was like $6.99. Now it's down to $5.99. So I said to Kai, come on, let's get a bottle. Let's try it. Why not? First of all, let's have a closer look at it. Here we go then. Produced in Northern Ireland, Berry Castle limited edition cookies and cream, a flavour country cream. There's a 70 centilitre bottle, and it's the alcohol content is 12% ABV. Right, flip it round. Here we go. Again, Berry Castle cookies and cream flavour country cream. A blend of double cream, alcohol and flavouring. See there, all the calories and whatever it is. Know your limits. Yeah, right. Drink responsibly. Don't we always? Yeah, and that's just a bit about it. I don't really tell you a lot. Tell you all about the units and that. Especially produced for Aldi stores, as you can see on there. And that really is about it. So there you go, $5.99. Let's get it open and try it. Right, here we go, Kay's here. She's the one who desperately needed this.
Oh yeah.
Get it open. So I have shook it before you ask, but I will shake it again because she'll moan at me if not. Right, cookies and cream, $5.99. Let's see what it's all about. Quite thick, isn't it? Coming out of there. Yeah, I'll show you this one right before. And that actually remind me, I think it's going to be a bit lighter than that. Remind me of the colour of Bailey's. So have a sniff and...
Smells.
Nice.
You can smell the cookie,
Yeah,
can't you?
definitely. Right, go for it. What do you reckon? I like it. I actually like that. Do you?
Not too bad.
Ain't too bad. As you go, she'll finish the bottle off in a minute. Isn't that nice? I like it.
Bit sweet.
You've got the sweetness to it, but you can taste the alcohol in it, can't you?
Yeah.
I like that. No, I do like that. I don't think that's overly sweet myself. Well, that's just me. The sweetest one I ever had was that birthday cake thing we had. Was it early part of this year or last year? And we tried it, and that was really sweet. Do you think that's really sweet or not?
It's a little bit sweet.
It's
Yeah.
got the sweetness to it, but it's not. I don't think it's a sickly sweet myself. Do you? Do you want another one? Go on, have another one. Lift the glass up.
Twist my arm.
Twist, that won't take much twisting, I'll tell you. No, it's got a nice flavour to this. It's creamy. As Kay said, you can taste the cookies in it as well. You can. That's a nice blend.
You can smell the biscuit.
I reckon that's
I
nice.
thought we'd had this before.
Not as far as I know. You can look back at my playlist, but I don't know. I don't think so.
No, I don't think we have.
No. It's a limited edition. Get yourself down to Aldi. I'll actually have another one in a minute. Yeah, I'll get her a pint glass. You don't get it, do you, darling?
It's all right.
Good try some. I think that's nice. I'd get another bottle, $5.99. Let's see if I can put it down to $4.99, and we'll get one in for Christmas. So that's it then. Cookies and cream by Berry Castle from Aldi. Give it a mark. Give it a score, Kay. I know exactly what I'm going to score this.
I'll give it a 8.
An 8. I give it a 9. I did my fingers up over the camera. Yeah, I reckon that's nice. I do that. That's something you could just sit there and pouring a big pint glass with a load of rice and just down it. Oh, do you want another one?
No,
Do you want my little bit?
no. You drink it. Go on.
I will do, don't worry. That's really nice, that is. Yes, that's nice, that is. Worth getting. Yeah, Kate's got some glasses there. Look at this, look. Look at them, look. Mr. McKee. She bought these glasses. Look at the state of them. Look at the state of the glasses. £1.49 from Home Bargains. She broke her other ones.
You did.
On my big fat head and I snapped the arm off the eye and that, because hers is a little bit stronger than mine and I want to look some tiny right than that. So he said, I'm going to go get another pair, it's only £1.49 down Home Bargains. She came out with these. She put these on. I mean, she'd already bought them when she got them. She goes, what do you think? And I just curled up laughing. Look at the state of them. They're over. Take them all, for Christ's sake.
I'll get another pair.
What, like that, or bigger?
No,
You got a pair of them diameter ones.
smaller ones.
Make me laugh. Anyway, we're going off the subject. $5.99 from Aldi. Give it a go. 8 out of 10 for Kay. 9 out of 10 for me. That's all we can say. Oh, the doors just blew open. We've got all the bloody French doors open. The back door is so hot. That's ridiculous. Thumbs up if you like this. Give us your comments below. Let me know what you think. If you had it or tried it, I know it's not for everyone, but you know, hey ho. If you ain't subscribed yet, please consider doing so to help the channel. Steady, don't fall asleep. And we'll catch you lovely people in the next one. Thanks for watching.
See ya.
Cheers.
Bye.
Bye. Look at them, look. See ya.